Hello techies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Krishna and I am a big data tester, ETL tester, data warehouse tester. Today we are going to solve again some more SQL questions. Let's rock it. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and let's get started with the video. So before I start, let me explain, as I initially always tell, that we are using two main tables, that is, one is employee table and one is department table. So always prefer to write the schema name and then the table name. So that's a standard practice. Keep doing it. So these two tables I have already discussed in getting started with SQL. I have discussed this table and I also given the DDML commands, DDL commands, DDL queries. So please use those script and insert the data. Let's get started. Today we're going to learn about date functions, a lot of date functions. So I am excited. Are you excited? If you're excited, give a thumbs up to this video. Okay. Display your age in days. So it's days means total number of days. Say for example, in 1 year we have 365 days. So like that we have to calculate our age and then 365 days. So there is already a function. So let's try to do that. Okay. Select. So there is a function called as toDate. Select toDate. And let's pass the sys date. Okay, system date, and then minus this sys date minus this to your date of birth. Okay, so let's do it again. To date, and then pass the date. So date, let's pass is in the form of dd okay, so I'll not tell my actual date of birth. So let's take this 29 September. So September is 1996. Okay, 1996. So this becomes, and from, let's do it from dual. Okay, let's run this. Not a valid month, which is not a valid month. So let's write it as September. Yeah, okay. September, I'm writing the September as full September, but again if you want to change it to numbers, there is a function again. So I'll discuss this function as we go further. So instead of the whole, this is coming so big, so let me change it to age in days. Okay, so age in days, 9,763 days since the day I was born. Okay, days, display your age in months. So how many months have been from the day I was born till date? Okay, months between what is the date? Months between sys date and the date of birth. So again it's 29 September 1996 from dual. So what is dual? Dual is basically already inbuilt table in Oracle. There is already a inbuilt table which we can use it if we don't have a table to get the fetch the data from. So that's why I'm using dual here. Okay, what is the problem with this? Between, yeah, sorry, there was a comma, not a hyphen. Age in months. Okay, age in months. Okay, 320 months. So what we can do is, since I don't want this ROUND round, let's round it off. Yeah, 321 months roughly. Okay, here also we are getting exact date, so no problem. Okay, display age in months. So there is a function called as months between from start date to the end date. So start date, sys date, and this. So it can be start date or basically between from here to the minus date. Okay, let's, I don't know, let's try this the either way. Let me write sys date later first, and in September 1996 comma sys date. It is 321 months between. It's doing this minus this, and what is it doing here? Yes, from here till here. Okay, so this becomes the end point to the starting point, months between. So mostly what you do is starting to end you do, but here it's like I guess it's either way around. So even I was not sure. I haven't used months between a lot, and not something you usually work with date functions if unless you are in a project where dates are very important. Okay, so anyways, so I just played around with this, and we learned something new. Display the current date as date, month, year. Okay. Let me just display the current sys date dual. Okay. Dual, yeah, this is what the current date. Okay, so sys date, this is coming out to be like this. So let's change it. Okay, let's change it. Sys date, so sys date is coming out to be like this. So there is a function called as toChar, okay, which will convert the date into a character, but let's define how it will do it. So date, month, day, year, date, what is the date? dd, and then month, right? Month, day, year. Okay. Yeah, can see that day, month is June. So let's take the first letter as capital, or else it will change it to, what happens if I pass y. Yes, it doesn't matter anyways. Okay, it's good. You can have spaces, or if you don't have, and also automatically it does give spaces as day, month, date, month, day, year. Okay, yeah, date, month, day, year, that's what was expected, right? Okay, well and good. The toChar is a function which will convert the date into a character, and then we can specify how we want it. So dd is basically date, month. You can write this as mon also, and it will say June, and if you write full month, it will print the full name. Okay, and if you just write it will give the date, like basically month, the number. Okay, anyway, here they wanted month, so I'm printing that. So they, and year also, if you mention 2y, it will print 2y23, and if you put 4y's, it will print 4 the year in 4 digits. Display the following output for each row from employee table. Scott has joined the company on Wednesday, 13th August 1990. Okay. Display the following output for each row from employee table. Okay. Select ename, comma. Let's do it. toChar. What is the date function? From emp. It's taking emp. You can please mention the schema name also. And what was the joining date, right? Yeah, join date in the form of toChar. Scott has joined the company. It is hired date. In the form of join the month on day, and month, 13th of the month, no, dd, month, and y. Okay, see this y, if you write, you will get the number, and if you write year, it will print in the form of characters. Okay, so you can see here If you see Smith, Wednesday 17 December, okay, day, date, month, December 1980, and 1980 year, 1980. Awesome, cool. Please try these functions. The more you try, the more it becomes familiar for you, more it becomes easier for you to practice it. And whenever you get an opportunity to work in your company, in the project, for example, whatever it is, whichever project you're working on, so it becomes easy for you to get hold of all these. Though you have to practice well to get hold of all these commands, okay. And if you're liking the video, please give a thumbs up, and that keeps me motivated to make more videos. Find the date for nearest Saturday after current date. Find the date for nearest Saturday from dual, okay. Next day, the function name is next underscore day, and sys date, okay. What is the problem? Oh, sorry, I need to pass the day. Saturday. The nearest Saturday from sys date is 24th. That is, I'm recording the video on 23rd. I will be releasing the video on 24th. That is a Saturday. So that's why the next Saturday comes out to be tomorrow, which is 24th. Next day. Awesome. Display the current time. Select sys date from dual. Okay. Sys date. You get the time also, and only if you want time. Which function did we discuss about? We discussed the toChar function. Now this toChar function, we are going to pass sys date and then HH, capital HH, comma, capital MM, close the bracket, and this is what you get. Current time 9:06:59. Okay, awesome. It's going good, guys. I am liking it. I am liking the date function topic. If you're liking it, please give a thumbs up and comment if you are enjoying it. Okay, display the date 3 months before the current date. Okay, from dual is a function called as add months, and let's pass the sys date. Sorry, I need to pass 3, right? Okay, so 3 months. Now this goes to after 3 months. So what I have to do is from current date I have to minus 3 months. So if I do, yes, 23/3/2023, 3 becomes March. Okay, 23rd March, 3 months from now. If I want to see 3 months forward, here becomes 9, that is September, close to my birth date. Display the common jobs from department number 10 and 20. Okay, we have completed date functions today, and I'm really excited. If you're excited, please give a thumbs up, and we'll see in the next video. Display the common jobs from department number 10 and 20. So we are going to start set operators from next week, and I am really excited to start set operator. And set operator and joins are really close to my heart, and if you want to learn these topics, please give a thumbs up to this video, share this video with everybody, and also comment. Why are you waiting for? Comment if you're liking the video. Comment yes, you're liking it, and whatever topic you want to cover. If you're really excited to learn set operators, please comment set operators. Let's see how many comments come to this come about set operators and joins. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video, and if you want to talk to me, please book us one-on-one session with the link in the description, and please follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my Hindi channel, where I have uploaded an amazing story in this week. See you in the next video. Bye bye.